In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Word. By the end, you'll know 3 simple ways to turn a PDF into an editable docx file, whether you're on a computer or a phone. We'll keep it clear and practical so you can pick the option that suits you best. First, the easiest route if you have Microsoft Word installed. Open Word like you normally would. Go to File, then Open, and select the PDF you want to convert. Word will display a message letting you know it's about to create an editable copy and that the layout might change a little. Click OK to continue. Word will automatically transform the PDF into a document you can edit right away. When you're done, head to File, choose Save As, and pick Word document with the .docx format. This method is excellent for PDFs that are mostly text, such as reports, letters, or articles, and it usually preserves headings and paragraphs well. If you don't have Word or you want something quick with no installation, use a free online PDF to Word converter. Open your web browser and go to a reputable site, for example, the official Acrobat online tool. Upload your PDF, click Convert to Word, and then download the resulting .docx file. This works on both phones and computers and is great when you're on the go. Just a quick note. Avoid uploading sensitive documents to random websites. Stick to well-known services you trust. Another free option is Google Docs, which is handy if you already use Google Drive. Upload your PDF to your drive, then right-click the file and choose Open with Google Docs. Google will open a new document with the contents of your PDF. From there, go to File, then Download, and select Microsoft Word. .docx. This approach is reliable for basic text and gives you instant access in the browser, no extra software needed. A quick tip to set expectations: simple, text-only PDFs usually convert cleanly. Scanned PDFs, which are essentially images, may require optical character recognition, often called OCR, and the results can vary. Some tools try to recognize the text automatically, but formatting may shift and you might need to tidy up headings, lists, or tables afterward. Always give the converted document a quick proofread and keep the original PDF as a reference in case you need to compare layouts. That's it. Choose Word for the most seamless desktop experience, an online converter for speed and convenience, or Google Docs if you want a free browser-based solution. Save your result as .docx, review the formatting, and you're ready to edit and share.